Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn another auto increment option for file select register. Basically, it's a decrement option, but generally it is known as auto increment option, and that is known as post decrement. So we will perform certain function on a file register which is pointed to by FSR, right? And FSR, after the performing that function, we will decrement the value of FSR, and that is why it is called post decrement or POSDEC, right? And is a subscript. It could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2. That means we know that FSR, there are three FSR which are numbered 0, 1, 2. So currently we are using FSR1 or file select register 1, and its value is what? 001. That is why 01 is stored in lower byte and 00 is stored in higher byte of FSR1. Okay, so current value of FSR1 is 001. That means FSR is pointing to this address 001 and its value is 5F, right? So let's say we want to perform certain function and I want to uh, move that function into working register. So let's say move file. It is a generally known instruction. We have already discussed it. So we want to move file. What file? This file 001 hex, but we will use register in direct mode using FSR. So we will be using this post decrement, post decrement, which is an auto increment function, and we are using post decrement 1 because we are working on FSR1, right? So whatever the value which is pointed by FSR1, that is 001, or content is 5F, it will move, and it will move into the working register. That is why I'm using 0, right? Or I can also use W for the working register. So this value 5F, right, it will move inside the working register. So after the in execution of this instruction, what will happen? This value of working register will get modified and we will have here 5F. Okay, one thing more, since function is already operated on the on this file location, now there will be decrement in file FSR. So FSR value will now no more point to 001 hash, rather it will be decremented and it will point to this address. So FSR1 should be decrement and it will become 000 hex, and FSR0 specifically modified to 00, right? I hope you have understand this post decrement, a general auto increment option for a file select register. In this time we are using for file select register 1. You can also apply it for a file select register 2 or 0. I hope you have understand it. Still, if you have any confusion or query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.